In this eConestoga training video, I will demonstrate how you can modify certain eConestoga quiz restrictions for an individual student or a small group of students in your class. Different restrictions that can be modified are start date, end date, time limit, and number of attempts allowed. So let's get started. From within the quiz tool, click on the drop-down arrow next to a particular quiz and select Edit. Navigate to the second tab, which is labeled Restrictions. Scroll down to the bottom of this page and you will notice a section with the heading Special Access. If you are modifying restriction settings for one or more students, but want to leave the regular access for everybody else, then you'll leave the first option for the type of access. Then, click the button labeled Add Users to Special Access. Here, we can decide which restriction settings you would like to modify. Note that you can combine multiple items if desired. For instance, in this example, I will extend the due date and grant the user a second attempt. In the space below, you can then check a box next to one or more students. The modified restriction settings will be applied to these individuals. And finally, click the Add Special Access button at the bottom of the page. This will take us back to the Restrictions tab within Quiz Settings, and we can see that it provides a summary of all the special access conditions that have been granted. If you need to modify an existing special access condition, you can click on the pencil icon next to the summary, which will take you back to the same screen as when you added the special access. Note that you can repeat the process to add unique special access conditions for multiple students in your class. When you return to the main page within the quiz tool, you will see that an icon now appears next to this quiz, indicating that a special access condition has been applied for at least one user.